in previous lecture we had discussed about the transformer losses. Transformer losses just like iron loss, copper loss, etc. But in this lecture we are discussing about transformer efficiency. So you have a formula: efficiency is equals to output power to the input power. So here efficiency is represented by eta. So first of all, the definition for efficiency is the ratio of the output power to the input power in a transformer is known as transformer efficiency. You can say see here output power to the input power. The ratio of the output power to the input power in a transformer is known as transformer efficiency. Transformer efficiency is represented by eta. So we have a formula: eta is equals to output power upon input power, means output power plus copper loss plus iron loss, and this is your per unit. Pu is per unit. So output power means P is equals to V into I, and output we get output at secondary. So voltage means V2, current means I2, and cos phi 2 is power factor. So output power means V2 I2 cos phi 2. Similarly here output power means V2 I2 cos phi 2. Copper loss, you know very well, copper loss is represented by I square R loss, as we had discussed in previous lectures. So copper loss is represented by I square R, means I which I load current we get at secondary. So I2 square Re2 plus iron loss means iron loss is represented by Pi. So we have a formula: eta is equals to V2I2 cos phi 2 divided by V2I2 cos phi 2 plus I2 square Re2 plus Pi, and this is your per unit. So this is your per unit efficiency at load current I2 and power factor cos phi 2. Now the per unit efficiency at full load. Full load means your load current is at full load. So expression will be same, but load current at full load. So you can see here load current I2 at full load, here I2 at full load, I2 at full load, rest expression will be same. Now if S2 FL, S2 means this is a rated value. If S2 FL is equals to VA 2 FL, VA means volt ampere, 2 means secondary, FL means full load. So if volt ampere at full load means V2 I2 FL. V2 I2 FL means full load in volt ampere or in rated value. So we get a rated value in the form of efficiency: eta at FL is equals to S2 cos phi 2. S2 means we can put the value of S2 here. S2 is equals to V2 I2 FL. So in the place of V2 I2 FL we can put the S2. So eta FL is equals to S2 cos phi 2 divided by S2 cos phi 2 plus on the place of I2 square FL Re2 we can put PCFL. PC means your copper loss. So here we put copper loss PCFL and plus your iron loss. So this is your efficiency at full load in rated form. Since the transformer is a static device, there are no rotational losses such as windage and frictional losses in a rotating machine. So in a well designed transformer, the efficiency can be as high as 99%. But we have a condition for maximum efficiency. So what type of condition for maximum efficiency? So first of all we have a formula for efficiency. Efficiency is equals to V2 I2 cos phi 2 means output power to the input power. So V2 I2 cos phi 2 upon V2 I2 cos phi 2 plus I2 square Re2 plus Pi. Now we are dividing this whole expression in right hand side by I2. I2 means load current. So after dividing this expression by load current, we get efficiency is equals to V2 cos phi 2 divided by V2 cos phi 2 plus I2 Re2 plus Pi upon I2. From this equation we can say that this equation shows that the efficiency varies with the load. So the plot of efficiency versus load is represented here. or you can say that this is the graph between efficiency versus load current. So in vertically we have efficiency, in the vertical axis we have efficiency, that is represented by eta, and horizontal axis at horizontal axis we have load current. So with this graph we can say that, you can see here, the efficiency is low at small loads. You can see here the efficiency is low at small loads and reaches a maximum value for a certain load. So the efficiency then decreases as the load is increased. Sometimes it is desired to know under what conditions and at which value of the load the transformer will operate at its maximum efficiency. You can see here eta is maximum at a load corresponding to maximum efficiency. At this load eta is maximum. So at what condition we have maximum efficiency for a transformer? So at maximum efficiency we have a condition if the differentiation of efficiency with respect to load current is equals to 0, and the second derivative of efficiency is less than 0. But to fulfill this condition we have a condition, the denominator, the value of a denominator should be minimum. So you can see here denominator means V2 cos phi 2 plus I2 Re2 plus Pi upon I2. But since V2 and cos phi 2 are constants for a given load, so efficiency will be a maximum when the denominator is minimum. So your denominator is here. For denominator, for a minimum value of denominator, this is a condition, the denominator is differentiated with respect to I2 should be equals to 0, and again differentiation of denominator is greater than 0. So here we can differentiate your denominator with respect to load current. So put the value of denominator here. So you can see here d over di2 V2 cos phi 2 plus I2 Re2 plus Pi upon I2. So after differentiation of denominator with respect to load current we get 0, because this is your constant value, V2 and cos phi 2 are your constant. So 0 plus Re2 minus Pi upon I2 square. So you know very well here we have a condition, it should be equals to 0. So we put this equals to 0. So Re2 minus Pi upon I2 square is equals to 0. So we get I2 square Re2 is equals to Pi. Now we again differentiating this expression with respect to load current. So now you can see here d over di2 result is your Re2 minus Pi upon I2 square. So we are again differentiating this with respect to load current. So after differentiation we get 0 plus 2 Pi upon I2 square. So you can see here this is your positive value and greater than 0. So you can see here with this equation Re2 minus Pi upon I2 square equals to 0. So we get I2 square Re2 is equals to Pi. Means you can see that you can say that the condition for maximum value of efficiency with this equation, you can say that the efficiency of a transformer for a given power factor is a maximum when the variable copper loss is equal to the constant iron loss. With this equation you can say that the efficiency will be maximum when variable copper loss is equals to the constant iron or core loss, because this is your copper loss and this is your iron loss. So condition is iron loss is equal to the copper loss. So at this condition your efficiency will be maximum. So in next lecture we will discuss about auto transformer. Thank you.